If you have a tiny bedroom and you've pared down as much as you can, you might need to make over your storage so you can fit not just more stuff, but fit stuff more comfortably. That's why we've rounded up the 10 best ways to maximize the space in a small bedroom and bring new life to your room. 1. Use multifunctional furniture. A bed that has drawers below and a bookshelf has already combined 3 pieces of furniture in one. If you decide to use a large piece of furniture, ensure it can house the majority of your storage needs without having to use other pieces of furniture to block valuable space. 2. Install a Murphy bed. These beds pull out from the wall and provide full floor access when the bed is hidden in the wall. Modern Murphy beds, when closed inside the wall, can house a fold-out desk on the other side. 3. Maximize bedside. Maximize the bedside by using a table that has a storage. And also you can use the space above the bedside table by adding a wall rail and some small shelves for books. The rail takes some strain off the table by giving you an extra place to keep your glasses and hang your book. 4. Remove large storage furniture. Armoires and clothes dressers can use a lot of floor space. This will give your bedroom more space and visually will look more spacious. Once removed, more natural light will pour into your space. 5. Reduce the size of your bed. Let's face it, we would all love to have a California king-sized bed, but do we actually need one? You can answer that question yourself. You may be willing to reduce the size if you knew how much space you would free up. 6. Use a sofa bed. A sofa bed can help a small bedroom become a den, or office space and a bedroom. Sofa beds are often more formal in appearance and can range from affordable to higher-end models that have leather and a plusher mattress. 7. Maximize storage on walls. Use open and closed shelving to remove bookshelves, and storage furniture units off of the floor and onto the walls. Opt for wall mirrors that hang on the walls over large ones that sit on the floor. 8. Use the back of the door. There is so much potential in even the most cramped of bedrooms. If your door is untouched, you should know that you can reclaim a ton of the back of the door storage space for your extra things, and it's pretty much invisible most of the time you leave the door open. 9. Underbed storage. An entire wardrobe of clothes and whatever else you want to hide away right under the mattress. In a bedroom too small for a closet, underbed storage is a stroke of genius. 10. High storage. Shelves running the length of the room provide extra storage space. Put them up high for things you don't use so often. The height comes in handy for adding a clothes stand, giving you somewhere to hang clothes that you don't want folded.